What's good, everyone? You are tuned in to Raggedy Crimes and Chaos, the show that makes you say, at least I'm not that stupid. I'm your host, and today's story is one of my favorites. We're talking about a burglar who broke into a house, got hungry, cooked a full Italian dinner, did his laundry, and then took a nap. The homeowners found him sleeping on their couch. Let's get into this. Alright, so this is Jamie, professional burglar, or at least he thinks he's professional. 3 years of break-ins, never caught. He's got a system. Today's target, the Davidson resident. Nice house, big kitchen. Both Davidsons work 9 to 5. House will be empty. Jamie breaks in through the back door. Easy. Inside in 2 minutes. He starts going through the living room. Laptop, check. Tablet, check. Then he walks through the kitchen. And he stops because this kitchen is beautiful. 6-burner wolf range, marble countertops, fresh herbs growing in the windowsill, a KitchenAid mixer in sage green, and Jamie's stomach growls. Because Jamie's been eating gas station burritos for 3 months. He's broke, he's tired, and this kitchen looks like it belongs on the Food Network. So he opens the fridge just to look. And inside, fresh pasta, handmade, with a label that says, made Sunday, used by Thursday. Real Parmesan, San Marzano tomatoes, fresh garlic. And Jamie thinks, I'll just make something quick. 20 minutes later, Jamie's fully cooking. He's got a pot of water boiling. He's making sauce with the tomatoes and garlic and fresh basil. Garlic bread's in the oven. And he's not just cooking, he's cooking well. Okay, pasta needs 3 more minutes, he says to himself, stirring. Then we'll toss it with the sauce. Add some pasta water for consistency. This man has forgotten he's committing a felony. He's in full chef mode. The timer goes off. Jamie plates the pasta like he's on MasterChef, arranges it carefully, grates Parmesan on top, adds a basil leaf for garnish. Then he sits down at their dining table and takes a bite. Oh my God, he moans. This is the best meal he's had in years. When's the last time he had real food? A meal that didn't come from a drive-thru or a microwave. He can't even remember. After he finishes, because yes, he eats the entire plate, Jamie looks down at his shirt. There's a tomato sauce stain on the collar. And he thinks, I can't go home with a stain. So he finds the laundry room. Ay, ay, ay. Now, Jamie's shirt is in the washing machine. He's wearing Mr. Davidson's bathrobe, which is incredibly soft, by the way. He washes his dishes because leaving them dirty would be rude. Wipes down the counters, puts the ingredients back exactly where he found them. And while he's waiting for the washing machine, he notices the couch. Expensive leather couch. Looks comfortable. Jamie sits down just to test it. It's like sitting on a cloud. Just for a minute, he tells himself. He closes his eyes just for a second. He falls asleep. At 6:15 p.m., Margaret and Tom Davidson come home. They walk into their living room and see a stranger asleep on their couch, wearing Tom's bathrobe, snoring. The washing machine is on spin cycle in the background. The kitchen smells like an Italian restaurant. What is happening? Margaret whispers. Tom's already on the phone with 911. Jamie wakes up to two people staring at him and a police officer in the doorway. Oh no, Jamie says groggily. What time is it? So let me get this straight. This man broke into a house to rob it, but instead he cooked a full meal, did his laundry, cleaned the kitchen, and took a nap. At what point did he forget he was committing a crime? And here's the thing. When the cops search the house, they find Jamie didn't actually steal anything. The laptops still there, the tablets still there. This man broke in just to use their kitchen. Officer Rodriguez is trying to explain the charges: breaking and entering, criminal trespass, attempted burglary, and Jamie interrupts. For what it's worth, that was the best meal I've had in years. You should start a restaurant. Margaret, despite everything, goes, thanks? Tom's like, we're pressing charges. He used my homemade pasta without permission, Tom. Of course we're pressing charges. So, what have we learned from today's Raggedy Crime? If you break into a house, stay focused. Don't get distracted by nice kitchens. Actually, don't break into houses at all. Lesson 2. A good meal can make you forget your entire life plan. This is why people fall asleep after Thanksgiving dinner. If you're going to commit crimes, at least steal something. Jamie left empty-handed except for a full stomach and a felony. And honestly, I respect that Jamie cleaned up after himself. That's manners. But also, he's going to jail, so maybe manners aren't enough? Alright, that's it for today's episode of Raggedy Crimes and Chaos. If this made you appreciate your own kitchen, good. Some people don't have nice things. Don't take it for granted. Tomorrow, we're talking about a burglar who broke into a house and accidentally friend requested his victim on Facebook, then forgot to log out. It's a digital disaster you don't want to miss. So come back tomorrow for that mess. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and maybe don't cook during felonies. You are tuned out of Raggedy Crimes and Chaos. I'm out.